Morning, Eddie.
Morning, Dr. Beacon.
Hi, Eddie. Today we're going to learn about something really cool in Python called a list. Have you ever made a list before?
List? Well, my mum often makes a shopping list for my dad to do the shopping. Is it like a shopping list?
A shopping list is a good example, Eddie. A list is a way to keep several things together in one place. In Python, we can make lists to store multiple items, such as numbers, words, or even a mix of both, in a single variable.
So it's like a box where I can put different stuff?
Yes. A list is a special box that can hold a bunch of things at once. Let's see how we make one. Lists are created using square brackets. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. We have 3 fruits in this list. Each thing inside a list is called an item. You see, a single variable fruits can have different items.
Oh, so apple is an item, banana is another item. Got it!
Exactly. And you can make a list with numbers too. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Or even mix things. Mixed equals 1, apple, true. Python doesn't mind. You can mix types in a list. We put quotes around apple because it's a word, not a number or a true false value. The quotes tell Python to treat it as text. Without quotes, Python would think apple is the name of a variable, not a piece of text, so it wouldn't understand it. The number 1 doesn't need quotes because Python already knows it's a number. Numbers are written just as they are. True also doesn't need quotes because it's a special word in Python that means a true false value. If you put quotes around it, Python would think it's just text, not the real true value.
Cool. How do I get something from the list?
We use something called indexing. Do you remember learning about it when we looked at letters in words in our basic course?
Yes, I remember. Python starts counting from 0. So the first thing is 0, the second is 1, and so on. Am I right?
That's right. You remembered very well. The same idea works for lists. Let's try print fruits 0, print fruits 1. The first line prints apple and the second line prints banana. And guess what? -1 is always the last item, -2 is the second last, and it keeps going backward. Print fruits open bracket -1 close bracket. Print fruits open bracket -2 close bracket. The first line prints cherry and the second line prints banana.
Oh, that's just like how we pick letters from words.
Yes, exactly. Just like with letters, the numbers tell us which fruit to pick.
What if I want to change something in the list?
That's easy. The things in a list stay in the same order, you can change them, and you can even have the same thing more than once. To change something, you just choose its number, which is the index, and give it a new value. I am going to show you an example. Fruits 1 equals blueberry print fruits. So in this example, after running this code, now the second fruit is blueberry instead of banana.
Wow, so I can change anything in my list easily.
Yes, exactly, Eddie. That's the fun part about lists. You can change, add, or even remove things anytime you want. Let's make a mini challenge. Can you make a list of your 3 favorite board games and print the first one?
Okay. Board_game equals Monopoly. The game of life, Ticket to Ride. Print board_game 0.
Perfect. Now try changing the second board game to something else you like.
Okay. Board_game 1 equals Connect 4. Print board_game. Does this work?
Yes, you've got the hang of it. Great job, Eddie. Excellent. See how easy it is to play with lists. You've already learned how to make a list. Look at items in a list. Change items in a list. Next time, we'll learn how to add more things, remove them, and even find items in your list.
Yes, it's much easier than I thought. I'm looking forward to the next session.